So I came across some old videos that I recorded back in 2015. It's been a while. And now I'm going to share them with you. They're really simple, easy DIYs. The first one's a backdrop, so check it out. It's really short and simple. And then the second one is photo props, which is also pretty simple. But hopefully you enjoy it. This is the first video. It's on the backdrop. And stay tuned for the second video. Also, ignore my clothes. I was in a pajama phase, and my hair was going through a phase too. Alright guys, so let's do the simple DIY of how to make a backdrop. It's really simple. You just need wrapping paper. I used 2 rolls for this project, and they can be expensive or inexpensive depending what time of the season you get it. I got some wrapping paper at the dollar store, so it was pretty cheap. But also, if you wait after Christmas, there's always a great deal and some pretty good wrapping paper. Anyway, all you need is some tape or those removable strips that you can put on the wall that don't destroy the wall, and you tape it up, and then you're done. Now, it did take me a while because I'm short, so I needed a little step stool to tape it all up. Of course, if you do it in a team or you have a buddy who's tall or just a buddy in general, you'll get it, you can put it up a lot faster. So this is something you can do really fast and inexpensive. And then you can repurpose and use it again. So there you go. Thanks for watching my silly little video. Stay tuned for the photo prop video. Bye!